Kumshibanta banwanra ya kamet kabakot kabakia, banlight na gijing pang gijing shitom, da kabapinblin ban kilan met lani yoga, ka District Ayush Society Ri-Bhoi District, kala Rakhe ya ka International Day of Yoga, kabakhat ar mentakasngi ha State Sports Council Nongpoh. Hakini gijing Rakhe, la penlong ki program bapher halor kapang yoga for healthy aging, ha kaba ki pa ki nongwan shiminta kila yo bani shiminta ha gijing penblin yoga ban pen klanya kamet gijing mut jing perkhat. Hakini kisngi lawan bani shiminta lang do MLA ka Nongpoh constituency ba Miral Bonds aim MDC ka Nongpoh constituency Kongrona Khamdet ki Samla Pule na Ri-Bhoi College but St. Joseph Academy of Nursing Umtrau ki medical officer jong ka District Ayush Society but kiwe. Lingba jong kani ka jing Rakhe kinongwan shiminta kilale ka jing le aka yoga bapher ban penshlur ya ka kot ka kya jong ka met ka jing kot jing kya jong ka jing mot jing perkhat bat ban kentiu ya ka rukom im ka babaha. Ha ka jing ekran kani kasngi lapin pau baka yoga ka de ka ni ki lat ka badon benta ban yarap yu briu ban lat ni ka jing pang ka jing shitom bat ban yo e ka met ka bakot pakya.
This is Shillong. Relax in this posture. Relax. Look down. Inhale. Look up. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Down.
Our day-to-day life. Despite of our busy schedule as a student, as a parent, as a farmer, as a businessman, as a politician, as a professional in all your profession, it is very important that we have to ensure ourselves to have a good health. We have seen many young people engage themselves in various sports activities, and we have seen nowadays, since this mantra, I must say, that has been launched by the government of India to observe the International Yoga Day, in which the Honorable Prime Minister of our country has led from the front, in which various countries in the world, they understand the importance of yoga. Today we are here to ensure that each and every one of us who are present here, we will be in the habit that every day we should do yoga. And it is important to relieve ourselves from various tension in life that we are encounter in our day-to-day life. We understand, myself as a politician also, even Kong also will witness, it is not an easy task for us also, a huge of challenges that we have to be bear in mind physically, mentally, But I'm not wrong to say, even though I'm not an expert in yoga, but in few physical exercise every morning, it helps me a lot. By doing a free hand exercise at home, I understand, I feel some relief out of it. So we must pledge, each and every one of us, to ensure that we should do yoga for the benefit of each and every one of us. Physically, mentally, we should be fit, irrespective of the background we come, irrespective of the lifestyle we have, the food habit that we used to, but we have to ensure that yoga is important, and we have to ensure not only to ourselves, friends, relatives, children at home, we will follow this process, which is very important to each and every one of us.